Ready?
Giggle and wiggle.
Is that where you went today?
Yes.
And who was there? Who was there from daycare though?
Max.
Max and who else? Who's Max's brother?
Max. Sam.
So what'd you do at Giggle and Wriggle?
Jump in the hair. I don't know what it is.
Oh,
Jumping castle.
yeah. Is that,
And I went up in the playground.
yeah?
And I went in the baby playground.
Oh, but you're a big girl though. Were you helping the little babies, were you?
He was still building with the blocks and stuff.
I
A
really
little
need.
baby baby.
That's what it is. Long bread. So we need long bread.
Yep.
The bread.
The bread. That pretend bread.
Yes. And chuck the keeping cut in it. And turkey.
Turkey?
Yep.
You a turkey.
And some candy.
Candy? Are you helping Mum, Miller?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm making my tea
Oh, okay.
for my babies.
Well, you never eat your tea, so good.
I'm making
Hi, Mum.
the tea for my babies.
I'm helping.
You're doing it all.
So,
Daddy's worked hard this week. I can do nothing.
Really?
and
No,
some
not really.
Maybe tomorrow.
Big
Not
drop.
tomorrow.
and now.